We are still waiting on our first winner of the Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge of the summer season. Let's see if we get one tonight. Now, if this is your first time watching, if the bowler gets 3 strikes, they win the jackpot. Hunter Heath, our bowler tonight, he gets 6 pins in his first toss, and if they don't get the 3 strikes, they do get a buck a pin. Pot tonight, $351. Gets the spare, so we're sitting at $10 for Hunter. He's had 1 300 game in his career. Hobbies include video games and movies. He's a junior studying information technology at UT. Just misses the strike on his 3rd toss, so he is taking home $19. BCSN Steve Ronkowitz caught up with Hunter after his throws.
I saw you in your practice shots. You left a 10 pin, then it looked like you made a little bit of an adjustment, and then you were ready to go, and the adjustment that you made came up to bite you a little bit on your first shot.
Yeah, it flat 10, it rang 10, so I thought I'll slide a little right and see if it'll hit a little better or not. And I slid, and it went right through the face. So I slid back on the shot after that, after I made the spare, and I 10'd again. So
it was just kind of one of those nights. Did you know there was $351 on the line?
Yeah, I had her tell me, but that didn't affect me. I wasn't nervous about it. I just didn't make a good enough shot. So.
All right, Hunter Heath not able to collect the $351. We're going to roll it over. We got 2 more weeks to give all this money away. Who will step up next week?